In this video, we'll look at some more fractional indices. This time, when it's not a power of 1 over n, where it's m over n. And what happens this time is it's still the nth root of x, but that's to the power of m. So let's look at a few examples. So 1,000 to the power of 2 over 3, 2/3. Well, using this, that means we're going to get the cubed root of 1,000 squared. Now, we can do these powers in any order. We can do the rooting first or the squaring first. So I'd suggest we do the rooting first. So the cube root of 1,000 is 10, and 10 squared is 100. Let's look at the next example, x to the negative 5 over 2. So let's get rid of that negative first. So that becomes 1 over x to the 5 over 2. And then this is going to become 1 over the square root of x to the 5. And there's my answer. Next one, 27x all to the power of 4 over 3. So that means we're going to get 27 to the power of 4 over 3. And we're going to get x to the power of 4 over 3. Now, 27 to the power of 4 over 3. So that's meaning I am getting the cube root of 27 all to the power of 4. And that's going to be times by the cube root of x to the power of 4. Now, it doesn't matter if we do the powers before the rooting, but for numbers, it's definitely best to do the rooting first. So the cube root of 27 is 3, and 3 to the power of 4 is 81. So what we're going to get in our answer here is 81 times the cube root of x to the 4. Okay, last couple examples here. 5 over the square root of x cubed. So the square root of x cubed, well, if you remember there's like an imaginary 2 there. So this is going to be 5 over x to the 3 over 2. And to get that off the bottom, we make it a negative power. This is 5x to the negative 3 over 2. And the last one here, the fifth root of y to the 7, well, that's just the same as saying y to the 7 over 5.